The crypto market is expanding day by day, and so are the new innovative non-fungible token projects all over the world. At least there are millions of NFTs on sale, and people are getting more and more keen to invest in the NFTs. But this virtual market is new for many of us. In such cases, experience and information becomes important. And if you have neither of these things, don't worry, because we bring to you the information from experienced investors on the top new NFT projects you can invest in now and earn major profits later. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today's video is all about new NFT projects to buy now. Stick till the end of the video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Omegaorcs. Omegaorcs is an NFT project which uses decentralized autonomous organization funds to purchase or generate revenue through virtual land in the Metaverse. It is an Ethereum blockchain project. There is a series of roadmaps for this project. You have to first whitelist the mint. By doing so, you may earn many rewards. As Omegaorcs use DAO, the holders could be rewarded and possibly give the Omegaorcs community value. Using Omega DAO, about 50% of mint sales are within the community. More than 110 Ethereum coins are set out through smart contracts and can be used further after they sell out. The other funds go through project expenses, smart contract audits, and future expenses. In all, it goes for the project and related expenses. Half of the secondary sales go through DAO. Also, Omega DAO will have the same percentage set for all the future Omegaorc projects. The artwork looks incredible. This project has an active following of 632 followers and is gradually growing. Do check this one out. Hape NFT. It is an NFT project with an active following on Twitter of about 5,888 followers. In all, the artwork is pretty great, and this is why many people prefer this project. On December 27th, Hape NFT launched a 31-second teaser of their project. It has great graphics with a robot-like structure wearing gas masks and headgear. We can speculate that multiple ranges of headgears and masks would be available in this NFT project. From the day they entered Twitter, they have had multiple giveaways until now. They reached more than 2,000 followers in less than 24 hours. So you can speculate that they have a great hype in the market, along with a great piece of artwork. Also, in its first 24 hours of launch on Twitter, they did a giveaway of 1x Hape NFT. When they reached 4K followers, they gave 10 WL slots to followers. In all, this NFT looks pretty great, and we can predict that the holders might earn a great return. Meta Legends. This is another Ethereum blockchain project with a collection of 12,345 legends. The legends are stored as ERC-721 tokens. In their public sale on December 11, 2021, around 5,400 NFTs were sold. The artwork of this Ethereum project is amazing, with Celestials as their key role. In the project, the Celestials are the ones to govern the Metaverse. In this project, there's a possibility to earn income through play-to-earn features. The current floor price of Meta Legends is about 0.248 Ethereum. According to their official site, this project aims to build an overall Metaverse ecosystem and help connect the overall community members. This project looks pretty great, as one can locate each other, alongside one can store NFTs and get the total estimation of the value. The best part is in this Metaverse, you can stack cryptos, items, and own property. Regarding the assets, you can own land, houses, vehicles, and whatnot. The current following on Twitter is around 54.8 thousand, which seems quite active. Overall, this looks like a phenomenal project. Oxya Origin. This project will be launched in January of 2021. In this project, there is a collection of about 7,898 unique Oxians. The best part about this project is their artwork, which looks incredible, and it has been designed by a team of artists including Laurie Guentrand, who has designed artworks in Marvel, Netflix, and other big studios. NFTs in this project is made with more than 250 attributes, and Oxians are stored as ERC-721 tokens. It is the first collaboration to earn a role-playing land conquest and social experiment game with connected NFT collectibles. The artwork includes some parts related to space, and the overall atmosphere looks mysterious, which plays a great role in increasing the following towards the project. You can interact, trade, play games, conquer lands, and further trade them. In this project, you have to earn and mint Oxya NFT through MetaMask wallet. Their Twitter handle is really active, with about 29.4 thousand followers. Hape Beast. This project has around 8,192 unique NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. The project unites style, technology, and community by setting up Hapes as the next generation fashion icons, which are quite amazing. The project is not yet launched and is known to be in January 2022. Also, the artwork includes apes dressed up in a contemporary setup. The roadmap has about 3 phases, having a beginning phase, which includes a Hape drop, the second phase includes a second drop, collection for the holders, and the third phase includes a clothing collab. In all, this project gives runway vibes, while this 3D and built to unite the ape Metaverse. The project has an active following on Twitter of about 166,000 followers, along with a great following on Discord too. Well, if you want to experience an NFT project with a runaway vibe, accompanied by apes dressed in the most stylish way possible, do check this project out. Crypto Baristas. Coffee is undoubtedly loved all over the world, and the concept of Crypto Baristas stars is actually amazing. The world's first NFT-funded cafe hit the blockchain on February 11, 2021, as announced by Coffee Bros, with 60 caffeine-loving characters whose ownership helps conceptualize this idea. If you are still wondering how this will attract people and virtual baristas seem weird, well, it is not. The owners of a Crypto Barista NFTs will enjoy benefits for life at all future cafe spaces and websites of Coffee Bros. Sounds enticing, right? Not only this, but the benefits will include control of the Barista Bank, which is a 15% fund from the project's revenue for future use in the development of the coffee space. So you are not just spending here, but building something. The Barista Bank can be used for supporting charitable organizations in the coffee space, advancing the Crypto Barista project, or starting something new, which is pretty cool. VeeFriends. This project is really popular. VeeFriends is kind of a ticket to Gary V's multi-day super conference, which is the first NFT ticketed conference. Only VeeFriends token holders can gain access to this conference at VCon as one community to share ideas, build friendships, and learn from each other. Gary Vaynerchuk, the chairman of VaynerX, CEO of VaynerMedia, and a serial entrepreneur, is the owner and creator of VeeFriends, so this can be called a social conference NFT project. Mechaverse. Created by Maddie and Matt B, 2 friends and 3D artists who have jumped into the NFT market, the Mechaverse is a collection of 8,888 generative mechas with hundreds of elements inspired by Japan mecha universes. It brings to life the mechas through high-quality 3D printed toys and has special plans for the future, such as streetwear, collaborations with famous artists, and potential short films using the characters. Mechaverse has quite a huge following. The idea and the project are quite promising. Unusual whales. This NFT project has 6,969 whales. Each whale has its aspects and characteristics that makes them unique, irreplaceable, and rarer. It has also added easy access to the NFT tools that can assist the owners in making investments. It is associated with the Ethereum blockchain. Nouns. The project aims to develop a community and a virtual universe within the metaverse. Nouns. WTF will mint 1 noun, or NFT character, every day, forever. The very unique thing about the Noun project is their own DAO treasury, decentralized autonomous organization, which will collect 100% of the funds from the NFT sales. The treasury is controlled and governed by the Noun holders who will decide its future use, regulation, project direction, and more. More power to people. This is all for today. Please stay tuned for more exciting videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.